Upping with yoga breathing, okay, with pranayama, with all the different techniques that you use to work on your diaphragm, and believe me, it can really add a lot of value and a lot of benefit to those techniques. Drop that leg down. It doesn't have to end here. We can come in all the way down. And you want to get the strongest amount of suction. These cups are the best cups for doing that and achieving that, in my personal opinion. This is where, obviously, if we look at from the mechanic side of it,